something fell. Alright, we'll get back in the canoe. Hopefully this is going to work. Very careful. There we go. Ah, yes. Okay, well, back through those corn. That's where I came from. That's the path right there at the edge of the corn that leads past my house. And this is the park. We put up this net for the volleyball net. Okay, and here's the river. Like I said, they just put the boat dock out a couple weeks ago, and boat dock is still there, so I guess we're okay. I was going to take my boat out, and they didn't have it out before. And now they do. I can't really go out in the river because this current is just incredible. It's fast to start with. I could barely keep up with it, but once I get out in the stream, even here, you're starting to get more current. Nice house over there. I like their bay windows. And I need to start turning around. And the current's going to start picking up here pretty quick. There's our boat dock. And as you can see, that water is just tearing through. Water here, wow, it's almost at the top of my, now it's the black part of my paddle, and it looks like it's about almost 5.5, 6 feet deep right here. Let's see, let's go to the edge of the corn. I'm going to have to edit this so it's not quite so big. I did take some pictures here a while ago. And they're on in my house section on Facebook. Wow. Oh yeah. Yeah, we put a 5 foot high fence around logs that we're using for our fireplace, or we have a campfire around here, and the 5 foot fence is way underwater. We'll go past that on the way back. This is my ski path in the winter. I travel through this. That's about as far as I can go. Nice going along the river as I get some Arctic nights, like Siberian weather. And as you can see, the corn is even farther underwater today. It's gone up a few inches. Up ahead is what we put together to keep our wood from going away, just in case it floods. That's a 5 foot high fence around it. You don't see the 5 foot high fence, it's just the 4x4s that are surrounding all the wood and chairs that normally we have to sit on while we're having our fire. As you can see, you can't even see the fence. Well, I see a little bit of it right there. fish are too deep down. I can't see any. Unless I spook one up on the way back, I'm not going to get any. I'm going to try to go through the corn. Hopefully my camera will hold up. I do have it taped down, but the tape isn't that strong, so I may have to cut this video short in case that camera starts to give way. I'm heading right for that opening in the corn where the trees meet up. Oh yeah, I'm using a kayak paddle on this canoe. Really, I've got the whole canoe going backwards because that's optimum one person paddling. Pretty much a location where our normal seat is on a kayak. Instead of one person being far back and one person forward, I'm sort of at the 3/4 mark, or 2/3 mark toward the backside. Now let's see if we can get through here. It's going to be snug. It's going to be tight, folks. Oh yeah. Might make it. This is close. There's a lot of branches and debris in the water. It's slowing me down. But I think I'm going to cut around some of these trees. Ooh, that's going to be tough. That's going to be hard. Uh-oh. Okay. Not good. Alright, I have to figure this out. I have to cut through here. Nope. That'll take the camera right off its mount. I need to get through that little section. Okay, time to break a branch. Close. Almost broke the camera. Alright, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Okay, I see some light there. Still caught in the tree. Alright. Like I said yesterday, this area is a little tough to get through, but I got it. Straighten out my camera here. There we go. I think we're on the path home. Looks like the Westie Scotties are not here today. Here's Rodney Meyer and Kerry Meyer's house. He was a ball player for the Cubs, 2000 pitcher actually. Blew his shoulder out, so that kind of ended his career. Nice place though. I don't know if you can see all that. He's got a deck. That's synthetic wood. Not even wood, it's plastic, I'm sorry. It's recycled plastic stuff. It doesn't break down, which is nice. I'm going to have to redo mine. And this is the home stretch. I'm right at the end of this run. I haven't seen any fish. I may have to walk along the shore and see if I can find some. But right now, I have no idea where they are. Just first start coming up, there are all kinds of fish in here. That's my fence, garden, flowers behind that fence, my pool. Ah yeah, I don't can see it. I got a martin birdhouse way up on top over there. Whoa! Back out of here. And my Canadian radio station playing. It's off the computer. I have an FM transmitter that sets the music, so the music plays through the computer. FM goes, picks the music from the computer, puts it on an FM station. So I'm broadcasting this. My bedroom up there.